Where is my life going? What did I do to deserve this? I live with my grandmother. She can barely take care of herself. Now there's me also. My mother just left me with her. And my dad. I saw a photo of him once, and I saw him at the shop. I was so scared.
Hey, beautiful. Looks like you're lost. Can I give you a ride?
No, Kishaba, I'm almost there.
A girl like you's too fine to be walking. Jump in. I'll drop you, Kapil.
No, Kishaba, I'm almost there.
Nakithat. When I oh.
Kina rile.
Wait, Skampulel. Let me guess. Rule weed.
Yeah.
For sure. It's not a mistake that we made. It was meant to be. Give me your number. Let's be friends.
Unana jwalo fela. Aren't we ambitious?
For sure. There's nothing wrong with that. Just friends. We're just having a little fun. I think you'll make a good one. We'll make a good team.
Kisho.
Okay, shut up. You don't know me, but we can change that. Here's my card. You can call me anytime. Shoka, a ride, or a friend, or both.
Thank you so much. Don't know what I would have done without you. Can you imagine? Thank you.
No problem. That's what friends are for. I'll check on you tomorrow, ne?
All right.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey!
Oh, Mama Khako, how's she doing?
She's doing better. Thank you for yesterday.
And you? What are you doing tonight?
Nix.
So how about I pick you up for dinner tonight?
Maratado.
Chomi, come on. He's fine.
Don't worry about it. It's on me. You've been through a lot. It's the least I can do. I'll pick you up at 7, ne? Call me.
Your body's a temple, girl.
Woo! Chomi, Kimangi. God, he is fun and no smarty.
He's the guy, Garabulla. He's the guy that helped me. He was heaven sent.
A guy that age with a schoolgirl like you? Wrong combination. There is only one thing in his mind.
So, Chomi, or Mofa, Kana, he is all that. And I'm sure there are other girls out there who would love to be with him.
Others like who?
Others like you, Wena. Really? Anyway, what are you willing to do to keep him?
I don't know, Hakitsebi. I mean, he's helped me so much.
Oh, Mati, sugar daddy. Be wise. You can choose between life and death.
Why do you have to be so heavy?
I'm telling you, he's a sugar daddy.
Rod?
Oh, it's nothing really. It's the least I could do.
I'm just gonna put my purse in the room. So, can I offer you anything to drink?
Yeah. Sure, whatever you have.
Why do you look so disappointed?
I was hoping you'd offer something more special. You know, something more than coffee. You know, really, I really love you. And maybe we're moving a bit too fast. But I think you're the one for me. Forget about coffee for now. I've got a better idea. Let me show you how much I love you. Relax me. Yeah. Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, I know. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. I told you. What do you mean? I told you. Yeah.
Aren't you gonna hug me or anything?
Coming. Yeah.
Tato!
Yeah. See you now. Sharp.
This guy! How can he just use me like that? Does he use other girls?